In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.
Welcome to Knockout Crypto. Thank you for following the channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Thank you for following the channel. You can find us on Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Subscribe to the channel, bottom right-hand corner. Like the video, comment below. Subscribe to the channel, bottom right-hand corner. Like the video, comment below. So you guys, I want to bring this to you because this is getting a lot of attention in the crypto community. It's called Hex. Hex is the first high-interest blockchain certificate of deposit. It's free for Bitcoin holders. Hex is designed to increase in value faster than anything else in the history. I'm going to be just straight up honest with you guys. Hex is a scam coin. And I want to warn you guys about Hex and why is it a scam. It's destined for failure. It's going to be the next BitConnect. And I want you guys to stay away from Hex. Do not invest in Hex at all. Do not put any money in Hex. Stay far away from it. And here's why. There's an article on CCN. Hex Cryptocurrency has all the makings of a scam. Readers be warned. Hex Crypto designed for 10,000x returns is destined for failure. A new breed of scam coin may be upon us in the form of Hex, a cryptocurrency that critics says is designed purely to enrich its founder. New cryptocurrency designed for 10,000x returns draws crypto community ire. Critics say the coin's creator will hold 45% of the entire coin supply after the first year. It's not a Ponzi, it's not a pyramid, it's a new breed of scam coin. A new cryptocurrency is attempting to pick up where BitConnect and OneCoin left off. Enter Hex, formerly Bitcoin Hex. According to the Hex.win website, Hex has been designed for 10,000x returns. While you ponder why your favorite cryptocurrency wasn't designed for such returns, cast your eyes on the opportunity of a lifetime. Hex was the opportunity of a lifetime designed to do over 10,000x returns in under 2.5 years. Now guys, think about that. There's no investment in the world doing 10,000x returns in under 2.5 years. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is, okay? Cryptocurrency designed for profit. Why didn't we think of that? Hex is the brainchild of former Bitcoin maximalist Richard Hart, real name Richard J. Schuler, self-described as a Bitcoin thought leader. Hart claims he expected the current wave of Hex criticism. He suggested via his Twitter feed that like Bitcoin, Hex will eventually win in the end. Hex is now entering the phase where people will start attacking it with new vigor. I remember when the regular media did this to Bitcoin years ago, saying it was illegal, a Ponzi, a scam. Bitcoin won. The following spill is typical of scam coins. Notice the slippery manner in which the price pumps of Bitcoin and Ethereum are framed. Bitcoin went up from 26x from $750 to $20,000 in only 378 days. Ethereum went up 233x from $6 to $1,400 in 403 days. If you got in at $1, you made 7 times more. Imagine how 1,400x returns feel. Some people got in 3 times cheaper than that. Had you put in only $223 when you first could, it would have gone up 4,500x to $1 million in only 3.5 years. Life changing. Most of the wealth in this world is made by those that get in first. No mention of the fact that both cryptos are two of the most utilized, most developed blockchain ecosystems in existence, not to mention it's made of the years that both 1 and 2 cryptocurrencies put in before their big price pumps finally arrive under the Hex. A Medium article titled Under the Hex was published this past weekend and attempts to show how Hex is actually much worse than a typical Ponzi or pyramid scheme. According to its writer Goldman Sachs, this is a new breed of scam coin designed wholly to enrich its founder. Not only will Richard control close to half of all Hex after the first year, but it's the first token I have seen to have its founder perpetual self-enrichment baked into the protocol. Goldman Sachs describes how the coin staking system works to return a huge percentage of coins to the creator. Richard not only possesses the origin address, but will also comprise at least 45% of all the Hex in the staking pool after the first year. So say someone ends their stake early and is penalized 1 million hex. Richard receives 775,000 hex himself, leaving only 225,000 coins to be divided amongst the thousands of other stakers. Hart has remained bullish in the face of criticism, regularly inviting his critics onto his YouTube channel for debates. A Hex positive anti-FUD Telegram channel has been set up to offer Hex loyalists shelter from the incoming barrage. This is on Cointelegram. This is another article, What the Hex, and look at Richard Hart's controversial new crypto. So Hart says it's the world's first blockchain CD that attacks the largest market in the banking ecosystem outside of savings accounts. Hex is essentially a crypto version of the traditional fixed deposit. The client side looks like the popular banking instrument. A user locks up funds, then receives their investment principal plus interest when the term matures. Banks use your money as a sort of a collateral that's just an excuse for them to borrow money from the government at extremely low rates. So I'm going to put this article in there. I'll put this article in the description of the video. So, and they have a facts and facts on the website, but Hex is definitely a scam, and I want you guys to stay far away from it. It is listed on CoinMarketCap. Currently on CoinMarketCap, Hex is listed at 4 stats. It's up 25% on the day. I just want you guys to stay away from Hex. I think you can get it on these 2 exchanges, the Tag Exchange and Ether Delta, but even those numbers don't seem right. Because you have to remember, it's a CD deposit, so you're really just locking up your coins, right? So you're locking up your cryptos, and then you're going to get a return later, a promised return, kind of like BitConnect. But here's what happens. Did the BitConnect people get their promised return? No. Okay, so you don't want to lock up money with these scammers, and then you never get your return back. They just take your money. So definitely don't want to do that. They promise you huge returns, but really they're just taking your money. So I want you guys to stay away from Hex. I just want to put this warning out there to all of my followers, everybody that's on my channel. Stay away from Hex. Don't get caught up in the huge returns or the promises of huge returns. Just think about BitConnect and everything that everybody lost when BitConnect went under. Thank you for following Knockout Crypto. Stay away from the Hex scam coins. Stay away from projects that promise you huge returns, because they're usually scams and a lie. And I want to put this video out there to warn you guys, stay away from Hex at all costs. The website's hex.win. Stay away from Hex at all costs. You can read more about it in the articles that I will place in the description of this video. Guys, thank you for following Knockout Crypto. If you want to read about coins that are actually doing stuff, go to knockoutcrypto.com and get the next big crypto report. Okay, thank you for following the channel. Guys, thank you for supporting us. Signing off, knockoutcrypto.com. Go to knockoutcrypto.com. Sign up for the next big crypto report. Okay, guys, thank you for following the channel.
In a world of when Lambo, crypto scams and fake projects, where can you find true value? No time to research cryptocurrency projects. No money for crypto reports that cost thousands and thousands of dollars. Don't feel defeated. Knockout Crypto Reports are the answer. Knockout Crypto Reports does the research, saving you time. Knockout Crypto Reports are affordable, saving you money. Knockout Crypto Reports only include the highest quality reports. If you want that Lambo, you need to learn how to invest in the highest quality projects early. Knockout Crypto Reports identifies the highest quality projects early, making you money and saving you time. Go to knockoutcrypto.com and sign up for the report now.